Dear all, welcome to hrtech.sg's demo hour exclusive edition for June 2021, where we will be showcasing the best in class features of SOPA. We embarked on HR Tech Demo Hour event series in 2019 to evangelize and promote use of HR technologies. The event provides a platform for HR technology providers to showcase their high-tech solutions, thereby aiding the acceleration of adoption of HR tech. The event motto has always been only to showcase demos and not presentations. The first event happened in September 2019 at our WeWork facility in Suntec, Singapore. Now we have moved to an on-demand webinar format. In April, we had our demo hour session focused on organizational network analysis, while in May, which is the May mental health awareness month, we had our demo hour session focused on mental wellness technology providers. Here's a quick background before we move to the demonstration. The Singapore government has been encouraging businesses to transform by adopting technology in all aspects of running the business, including the human resource function. And to help Singapore enterprises, we are showcasing the demo of SOPA's cloud-based smart SaaS platform. SOPA's AI-based SaaS recruitment solution actually enhances the efficiency and accuracy of an enterprise's hiring and selection at scale. Its AI-powered sourcing, scoring, and ranking of candidate profiles helps the HR teams efficiently find the best fit talent for their organizational needs. In fact, they also have an on-demand hybrid assessment and video interview platform. HR technology solutions like SOPA can minimize many time-consuming transactional HR tasks and free up bandwidth for HR professionals to do more strategic work, thereby being seen as a strategic business partner. While many enterprises have already made headway in their digital HR transformation journey and are showing positive business outcomes, there is still a lot to be done in this field. SOPA is also listed on hrtech.sg's marketplace under the talent acquisition category. You could use the scan, you could scan the QR code on the screen or use the link to access the detailed information about SOPA. SOPA is also listed on the 2021 Singapore HR Tech market map in the talent acquisition category. We now move over to the demonstration of the platform and see the best-in-class features. Over to you, Stuti, for the demonstration.
I would say that was a wonderful introduction. I would like to give you a little introduction about SOPA before we actually dive into the demonstration. Allow me to share my screen. At SOPA, we are offering an applicant tracking system powered by artificial intelligence. So as an organization, we thought we could leverage on technology to augment the capabilities of job seekers as well as recruiters. And that's where we thought that we could create an applicant tracking system which can offer great candidate experience and help recruiters to focus more on strategic stuff rather than spending time on the operational day-to-day tasks. So that's really our motto. And we want to bring objectivity in the hiring process. As of now, we identified as an organization that there are so many problems worth solving. So there is low objectivity in human decisions, inaccurate choices due to human bias and errors. There is inability to scale because often recruiters are busy with day-to-day operational tasks and not focused on strategic stuff. So we thought we could bring in some capabilities and automation when it comes to operational abilities as far as TA is concerned. We also saw that there is high cost and low resources. There are workflow inefficiencies, low predictability of right results. Also, while recruiters are more busy with the operational tough, there is bad candidate experience, and sometimes it impacts massively on employer branding negatively. So as an organization, we identified that by using Zopa, clients save over 87% in time and 50% in cost with us. Now we have features and capabilities which suits to the entire recruitment or TA cycle. So right from the first step of the hiring process, which is pre-screening. So we have chatbot, which can help you screen candidates faster during the website application. We have Zopa AI screening to really, bulk screen candidates faster. We also have Zopa retargeting feature, which can help you regenerate talent pool from your internal database. We have suitable jobs, other jobs applied feature, which could help you in internal hiring, job rotation, and application history. We have another great functionality called Zopa Room, which is a sort of a hybrid assessment, which gives recruiters an ability to create their own assessments. These assessments could be psychometric or any sort of assessment. It essentially gives recruiters an ability to create questions and receive answers in the form of essay, video, or multiple choice question. It is really an asynchronous interview type. We also have advanced analytics, which can help TA professionals strategize better when it comes to TA strategies. So this is essentially what our platform offers. And it is, the entire, it offers as the entire platform, which covers each and every step in the TA cycle. So I'll quickly take you through our platform now. Let's just log in. Okay. So I have logged in our platform, Zopa AI. So as a recruiter, this is essentially the landing page, which you will see once you log in as a recruiter. So just wanted to talk about some of the technologies which we use. So we use artificial intelligence, machine learning, and robot process automation to really automate some of the most mundane and routine tasks in recruitment, right? So here in our platform, you will see the dashboard. So the dashboard essentially gives you a snapshot of all the activities which are happening in your recruitment cycle. You can track the status of your open and closed jobs. You can see recently posted jobs, your source mix, your hiring funnel, and so on and so forth. It can also give you reminders for your upcoming interviews and give you reminders for your pending approvals from your side as well as from others. So let's talk about the recruitment cycle. So in our platform, you can essentially each recruiter can create their own requisition, or you can also bulk upload 20-30 positions at once in order to save time. So just download this template, fill in all the information, upload, and voila, all your 30-40 positions will be uploaded in the platform, right? All will be advertised as well. Now I'm going to take an example of a specific job to showcase you the AI capabilities which we have. So I typically take the example of business development. Okay, let's take an example of a business development director, Great China. So here you have entered all your information. Okay, so in the backend, you will see all the information here as a recruiter. Now you also, the platform also gives you an ability to publish this position on all these social media platforms. We are well integrated. So just by the click of a button, your position will be posted on Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, as well as on the WhatsApp, the number which is configured with a specific user ID which you are using. We also have capabilities to integrate with specific job boards. So you can see a similar tab of, let's say, LinkedIn, Facebook, or maybe, JobStreet, Naukri.com, Indeed. So all of those jobs will be posted on those external platforms as well, just by the click of a button. We also have functionalities like collaborators. You can also track the timeline. You can also also automate the workflow, the process for each and every position. So you can play with all of these fields which can help you automate your recruitment process. Essentially, once your position is published, you will see the screening number increasing. So all the candidates you are receiving from different platforms are actually stored in the screening section. And here you can, see that the AI has started screening candidates on the basis of CV relevance, loyalty, and performance. So CV relevance is something which will tell you whether a candidate is suitable for a job. So for that, we specifically consider some of the major parameters, which is like skill match, job function match, keyword match, location, seniority, and open to new roles as well if the candidate is applying through LinkedIn. Now, as a recruiter, if you are receiving thousands and thousands of candidates, how will you screen candidates faster? So you can just click on CV relevance in the descending order, and the system will show you all the candidates who are relevant for this position. We also do predictive analytics in terms of loyalty and performance. These are patented by Zopa, and you can, the system, we have algorithms which can help you predict whether a candidate is going to stay in your organization for next 1 year or not, or whether the candidate's performance will be good in the near future or not. So we do a lot of predictive analytics which help you, which can help you think about your retention and attrition at the same time. All right. So we also have another great functionality, retargeting. Often applicant tracking system do not provide an ability to source or find candidates from the internal database. So with this retargeting tab, the AI will find candidates from the internal database of the organization and will start resurfacing those candidates to the recruiters. That's how the recruiters are utilizing their internal database with the best of its capability. So basically, you can find these candidates from your internal database. I always say a wise recruiter is someone who would look for candidates in the internal database first before really going out and sourcing candidates from outside. Now, for each candidate, the platform offers additional functionalities like other jobs applied. So you can really track the history of each of the candidates and which jobs the candidate has applied in the past. We also have suitable jobs. So the AI will help you find suitable jobs for each and every candidate, based on the job description. So these are some of the jobs which candidate could be suitable for. So the next time any of your colleague comes with a profile as a referral, and if he or she is not determine which role is suitable for the referral candidate, then you can just upload their profile in the system and click on suitable jobs, and the AI will help you find suitable jobs for that particular candidate. We also have sourcing. So you can get access to your talent pool. You can put Boolean search here, play with all these filters, and you can source candidates within your internal database as well. You can create separate folders or buckets. So for example, this particular candidate is suitable for a data scientist position. You can just click here, add to specific bucket, or create a new bucket, and your folder is created. So maybe the candidate is not interested in joining your organization now, but the candidate could be suitable for future roles. We also offer this QR code, which you can put in your email address as your signature, so that the candidates can just scan and upload their profile into the system. Right? We also have capabilities to conduct phone interviews, online interviews, or on-site interviews. So we are well integrated with all sorts of calendars like Outlook, Gmail, or any other calendar which your company must be using. And we also are well integrated with Microsoft Teams. We are also Microsoft partners. So Microsoft Suite come handy for us, but otherwise we can use several other platforms like Zoom, Teams, Gmail, video capabilities, and we can integrate with them and help you conduct phone online interviews from the platform itself. We also offer asynchronous interview platform, which is Zopa Room. So essentially, you can create assessments here. These assessments could be generic or could be psychometric or any other, customer success or customer service assessments, which could be extremely useful for your organization. Now here, it's simple. You can just click on create assessment, fill in all this information, put your banner in order to have the right branding for your organization, and your assessment is created. Now going back, let's take an example of this particular assessment. You will see that you can define the interview type, whether you want all the candidates to receive the questions in a random fashion or a same fashion, all the questions in the same format. You can also decide on the start date and expiration date. You can also decide on the pass threshold. Now you can add questions for each and every assessment. So let's say, describe yourself. Now here you can add the video of your organization, or you can also record a message from the recruiter and then click here on next. Now here you will see that you have an option to ask the candidate to receive answers in the form of essay. In that case, you can decide on minimum words, maximum words. Video, you can decide on, retake, resubmit, retake decision time. You can also create multiple choice questions. You can decide on the rating, timing, category, etc., etc. So your question will be created, and every time you do not need to create the questions again and again. It all becomes part of your question bank, and you can just pick questions from there for different assessments. Here I'm going to quickly take an example here. So you can track all your candidates here and the statuses related to each and every assessment of all the candidates. You can see the name, status, result, decision, overall score. You can add collaborators, meaning your hiring managers here, who can really see the scores of all these candidates, and you do not have to go back and forth sharing the scores of each and every candidate with them. So everything can be tracked here. Right. So we also do video analytics. Let me take an example of a specific candidate, and I will show you how do we really do video analytics here. Sriram, just skip this section where I'm taking more time, right?
No problem. Definitely we'll do that.
Yeah. Just hold on. Let me take an example.
Before you start, just pause so that there's time to hear it.
Will do. Okay, so I'm going to take an example of a marketing manager. So I'll click on candidates, and let's take an example of this candidate, Deanna Ko. Okay, you will see that we asked this candidate, tell us about yourself, and the candidate responded in a video.
My name is Deanna.
Now you can see the metric related to this particular video. So this is something which you decided when you created this question. What would be the mode of answer? How many retakes do you want the candidate to take? What is the maximum time to answer? We also do video analytics. So we use IBM Tone and Analyzer and Microsoft, as well as our inbuilt capabilities, to determine the emotional overview and the language overview of the candidate. Okay, you can also see the candidate has, the hiring manager has given the rating in the form of stars and also given the feedback for each candidate. Now you can also see the number of questions and the responses to each of those questions. So that is something which is visible to you as a recruiter, and you can access it anytime. Now going back to interview. So in regards to phone interview, online, on-site interview, what we automate here is the scheduling part. So the AI will pick the available slot from the hiring manager's calendar or from the recruiter's calendar and share those slots with the candidate, and the candidate can select the right slot which is more suitable for the candidate, and that's how we automate scheduling. So that is something which we do when it comes to automation. You can also see all your hires here, offers, hires. We also have My Analytics tab where you can do tons and tons of analytics. You can just add the name of your company, select all of these fields, and then click on Submit. So you can see that you will find, you can create analytics related to by function, industry, seniority, employment term, country, application received, so on and so forth. It is, yeah. You can also see analytics related to jobs, applications, offers, inside talent pool, managed companies, so on and so forth. So, it can really help you look into your analytics and decide where do you need to improve as a RTA professional, or if you are managing a team, you can track the KPIs of each of your recruiters. So this will really help you understand from the data point of view whether your organization or your TA process or your TA cycle is in the right direction, is going in the right direction or not, whether you are achieving your targets, whether how many. It can also help you back calculate numbers, how many candidates you need to source in order to have one hired candidate, right? So it can help you with all of these analytics. We also have admin section where you can play with settings, core templates, teams, email, calendars, pre-screening questionnaire. We also have microsite, which will help you create virtual career fairs. So this is also one of our product offering. Through this, you can just, I'll take an example of this particular tab. So here you will see that you can create your own branding. You can talk about the event, have this QR code, have all your positions displayed. So when you cannot create career or job drives, you can just create a virtual career fair to make sure that you are hiring right and you are having a right branding, and this can help you scale organization, right? When you have 20-30 positions or 50 positions to fill, how do you do that? That's how you can create a specific career page or a virtual career fair which can help you scale faster. Right. So this is one of another great feature which we have, which is called microsite. We also have Chrome extensions which can help you add candidates, source candidate directly to your platform. So this is really about Zopa. Please let me know if you have any questions.
Okay, perfect, Stuti. So what we will do is we'll have two questions, right? So one we will ask in terms of, are you seeing any interesting trends or insights in the talent acquisition or recruitment tech space? One. And number two, how is Zopa geared up to meet this new requirement of enterprises?
Okay, like what are our USPs?
Oh, exactly, your USP.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay,
Okay,
that makes sense.
cool.
Yeah.
Just a minute each should be fine. Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you, Stuti. That really gave us a very good overview of the best-in-class features of your platform. Couple of quick questions. Number one, are you seeing any interesting trends or insights that you can share with us in the recruitment tech space?
That's a great question, Sriram. I would say that there are a couple of trends which I'm observing on day-to-day basis. So first is employer branding. So companies are focusing more and more on employer branding. And this all narrows down to how the TA organization is in the organization. Right? So the focus is more to ensure that all the processes created by TA professionals or HR teams are good and offers a great candidate or an employee experience. So in order to do that, they need to be well equipped when it comes to technology or platforms which they are using, right? That way they will make sure that it is a great place to work, and everybody who comes in or somebody who applies in their organization gets a flawless candidate experience, and they need to have systems and platforms for that. That's one of the trend which I'm observing. Another trend is that there is a scarcity of high performing talent, right? So organizations are looking for more and more ways to hire, creative ways and tools to hire the best talent for their organization. Now once you are in touch with those high performing talent, how do you keep them engaged, right? And for that also organizations need to have efficient platforms which gives them an ability to engage with the candidates on day-to-day basis. It also has to do with your inbound recruiting, right? TA professionals have started creating content which is more targeted and focused to a specific group, and that's how they have started marketing and branding their organization as well. So some of these trends, in fact, there are also TA analytics. So recruiters wants to focus more on the strategy rather than getting stuck with mundane and routine tasks. So these are some of the trends which I feel the organizations are adopting in today's world. Yeah.
That's true. Recruiters and the entire HR team now really wants to be seen as a strategic business partner rather than being very
Absolutely.
operational. So that's where HR tech really helps. So the
Absolutely.
follow-up question that I have is, so what are Zopa's USPs, and how are you geared up to meet this new trends that you're seeing in the marketplace? How are you differentiated basically?
Absolutely. So, as an organization, we cover the entire talent acquisition process, right? And we offer advanced capabilities in terms of AI screening. So, imagine when the recruiters receive thousands and thousands of profiles for a single role, it is really difficult for a recruiter to really look into each and every profile. And it is great if they have a technology which can help them screen those candidates faster, help determine some sort of a stack ranking or CV relevance score, which could really give them top 50 candidates, and then they can screen those candidates, get into the profiles, and see if there is a suitable match or not. Also, in terms of utilizing the internal database, Sriram, we have retargeting feature which will help resurface candidates for recruiters, right? Often when the candidate apply for one role, the candidate is lost and it's like a black box where nobody wants to enter. So we have really, we want to really help recruiters in that sense to utilize their internal database. We have advanced analytics which they can they can do tons and tons of analytics and really share the results with the management in order to make sure that where do they need to improve when it comes to their entire TA process. They can also track KPIs, they can track success through her advanced analytics. We also have Zopa Room. So it gives recruiters an ability to create assessments on their own. They do not have to partner with any other vendor for it. Rather, they will have all these capabilities in one platform, which is Zopa. And they really need not to be there, because we offer video capabilities as well in Zopa Room. So they just have to give a link to the candidate, and the candidate will record the video, etc., which can be assessed by the hiring manager at any time, at any given point of time when the hiring manager is free. It's not that the hiring manager has to book some time to interview a candidate, right? It's like, with the help of technology, we are really empowering recruiters. We also have microsite, which as one of our product offering, through which they can have virtual career fairs, right? So they do not have to go to any other vendor. They can create their own microsite. They can have 20-30 microsite for various different events, and they can really represent their organizations well. So we have really nailed when it comes to the entire recruitment process, and we believe with these technologies which we have used, AI, ML, and robot process automation, we are really empowering recruiters and helping them to become more strategic partners, like you said, more than an operational person, right?
Thank you very much, Stuti. That was a really lively session, and thank you for showcasing the Zopa platform.
Well, thank you so much for inviting us. And I believe the demo will be very useful for your audience, and they can always reach out to us on our website and, click on for a free demo, and I will be in touch with them. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Sanika, do you want to come up? Let's have a quick photo and then. One, two. Perfect. Hey, thank you very much, Stuti. Really appreciate it.
Was it okay?
It's perfect. Perfect. I will. No, perfect. It was. Would have preferred 15 minutes, but I think it was around 15 to 20 minutes, which is okay. And if we cut it in between, that's
just cut it. Yeah. Whichever thing I'm like, thinking about something. So just
the some of that the sites were slow and all of those, right? We will just edit that so that when you click, it will show as appearing.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
And really apologies again for doing this.
No worries.
Thank you, Sanika. Thank you, Sriram.
Bye-bye.
Take care. Bye.
Bye.